a poster. She my lemonade on a summer day. Thought I told ya. She always stretches out a helping hand just like some yoga. She got me singing to the Lord that I need me a toga. They say that there is no such thing as perfect. Well, she imperfectly perfect to me. Perfect is perfect can be. We acknowledge each other's flaws, but it doesn't matter to us. We accept the man of each other for who we are. She one in a million. No, she one of a kind. Giving me this feeling to see if I was blind. On the outside, she's beautiful, but the inside, she is more. One of the greatest blessings is her, and her I adore. I'm always thinking about her. She's always stuck in my head, like the lyrics from a song on the radio that is playing. We riding, flying over islands just to chill on the island. She far more precious than diamonds, and I ain't lying. She's priceless. I kind of want some lemonade now, you guys.
Hold up.